conceptualizing that organization, by belonging to that organization, you already made a difference. In your daily actions every day, how you deal with people, in your beliefs, in your integrity and your credibility, you made a difference at first, and in your actions every day, you are making a difference by touching lives to other people. And eventually, at the end of the day, sa tanan ninyong natabangan, sa tanang respeto na hatag sa katawhan ninyo, sa tanan ninyong gihimo sa katilingban, kay kibaw ko nga kamo, you are very talented and intelligent person. At the end of the day, before you go to sleep, makaingon na mo, nakatabang ko sa katao, I was very credible. I had the integrity. I had the promise that I kept and the vow that I kept nga ako yung gituman. I helped the barangay. I made a difference. I'm making a difference. And now, at the end of the day, igdahin ninyong katog, when you do that, when you touch lives, you will eventually say, without any doubt, that you made a difference already. Just remember three things. First, you make a difference by conceptualizing your organization. Second, you are making a difference. And thirdly, you made a difference in Barangay Lahug. Daghang salamat. Let's continue the partnership, a strong partnership between you and me as your representative in the City Council, and you as your partnership with Barangay Lahug. So, congratulations to all the officers, congratulations to the Sangguniang Kabataan, and to all of you. Rest assured, Mary Ann de los Santos will be 101% supportive of the LGBTQ of Barangay Lahug. I love you all, and remember one thing, you have a family in Barangay Lahug. It is very heartwarming to see people, mga tao nga nakaingon ko, kinsa man ni sila. Because I started my political career 30 years already. I started in 1994, kamong uban diri, wa kamo nga tao. Ang uban, nagsugod ko, I saw them grow up. Nakakita ko. Naingon ko, kinsa man ang naka-striking colors sa kong atubangan, that is a very familiar face, Kap Gingging. Ingon siya, mobitaw ng kusok yung musayaw, taga sinulog si Tiyo Anapu. That is, once upon a time, a very young boy who dances very well and is a very talented, who is my sunny boy, but now is my sunny girl.
Sample.
Daghan kay ninyo din nga akong mga inyong mga ginikanan, akong suod, ang inyong mga parinti, akong suod, nga nakakita ako